What's going on, guys? So, guess what? Let me not talk too much. Bam. Playa Bowls. So if you don't know Playa Bowls, they have like Açaí bowls. They have Açaí bowls. They have a bunch of bowls. Sorry, I don't know all of them, but they have Açaí bowls. And look at that beauty. Look at that. Oh, I can smell it. But look at this. It's so beautiful. I'm excited. Ta-da! The Açaí bowl. So this specific bowl that I ended up getting is the Nutella. The Nutella bowl. So the Nutella bowl has Açaí, which you could see inside there. Oh, some flakes. Some coconut flakes. You got banana, strawberry, and I think it has Nutella. So it has Nutella under there. So, check it out, pretty close up. Let's give this a shot. Oh my god. Strawberries, really good. What we got here? We got the Açaí. The Nutella's a little bit hardened up because it's cold. All right, let's try this out. God. Oh my god, I forgot to take a picture. I'm so mad right now. No, I took pictures, I forgot, sorry. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. So good. See the strawberry up close. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that big flake of coconut. So good. Oh my god. Wow, that Nutella is amazing. The mix with the banana. It has granola as well. Forgot to mention that. There's granola, strawberries, Nutella, and banana with coconut flakes. Amazing. So, it's not focusing. It's not focusing. Try that hand thing people use. Not working. If you're in the area and there's a Playa Bowl next to you, go get it. Recommend it. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna enjoy this Açaí bowl. Hey.